check the program for errors and debug it etc. In other words, programming environment is a platform for programmers to write and execute a program. Integrated development environment. It means IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. It is a software which provides programming environment. It facilitates programmers in writing and executing a computer program. An IDE has a graphical user interface. Interface has basically two types. Number one is command line interface and number two is graphical user interface. A graphical user interface is a software which provides facility to user to interact with the computer using windows, buttons, icons and graphics etc. An IDE can be combination of text, compiler and debugger. Commonly used IDE for C programming languages are Visual Studio, Visual Interdev, Dev C++, Turbo C++, Xcode, Code Blocks, etc. etc. Now we learn what are the comments. Comments are used in the program to understand the logic of the program. There are two main purposes of using comments. Comments provide facility to understand the code of other programmer. Comments are used to understand his own code after a long time. Comments have basically two types. Number one, single line comment, and number two, multiple line comment. Now we will discuss what are the types of comments. First of all, we define few important and short questions for proper point logic and paper point of view. Now we learn what are reserved words. Reserved words are special words which meaning and purpose is predefined. Compiler already understand the meaning and purpose of these meaning. Reserved words are also called keywords. Now we discuss what is syntax of language. The set of rules for writing program statements is called syntax of rule. Program statements are written according to the syntax of that language. Now we discuss most important question of this model paper. So let's start. What is sequential control statement? Sequential control statement are executed in the same order which they are written in the program. And next, nested selection structure. A selection structure within another selection structure is called nested selection structure. It can be if statement within if statement or can be if else statement. Now we discuss the difference between selection statements and sequential statements. Selection statement. In selection statement, the sequence of statements execution is changed depending upon the condition. A statement is executed or skipped depending upon the result of the condition. And on the other hand, selection control structure are the statements are executed in the same sequence in which they are written in the program. Each statement executed exactly one for debugging. Now we discuss more questions that are very important for paper point of view. So, what is format specifier? Specific format specifier are used in control string to print the value of variable and the meaning. What is escape sequence? Escape sequence are special characters that are used in print function. These characters are not displayed on output of screen but control the output according to user requirement. Explain the control string in print function. In control string, printf function can consist of three things. Number one, text. Number two, format specifier. Number three, escape sequence. Now we discuss modulus operator. What is modulus operator and what is purpose of modulus operator? Modulus operator return the statement. Modulus operator returns the remainder of the division when first number is divided by second number. For example, 7 percentage sign is also called modulus operator. 7 percentage 2 returns 1 as answer. 1 is answer and modulus operator percentage sign is called modulus operator. Now, what are logical operators? Logical operators combine two or more relationships expressions. Logical operators combine relationships expression or Boolean expression and return true or false. There are three types of logical operators in C language. Number one, AND operator. Number two, OR operator. Number three, NOT operator. These are very important short questions. Now we discuss most important long question for paper point of view. Number one is describe printf function in detail. Number two, describe scan function in detail. And number three is describe arithmetic operators. These are very important for long question. Some more long question are here. What are control statements? Describe types of control statements. This question is very important and it in board exams. So we must prepare this short question, and short question we are already explained, and long question you will note this model paper to get prepared for paper. Number 5 is long question is explain if else statement, and number 6 is describe nested if with example. These are very important short questions. So Ghazali up to date and guest paper is very important. You will must prepare Ghazali up to date and guest paper because many past papers are already present in this model paper, and this model paper, the author makes this model paper very simple and easy language for students. Its model paper has